In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in Shopify admin. We'll walk through getting to the right page, entering your details correctly, and opening your store's dashboard so you can start managing products, orders, and settings with confidence. Make sure you have a reliable internet connection and the email and password associated with your Shopify account ready. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Shopify's official login page at shopify.com/login. This is the safest and most direct route. You can also reach the sign-in screen by typing your store's domain followed by admin. For example, if your store address is yourstore.myshopify.com, you would go to yourstore.myshopify.com/admin. Before you proceed, confirm you're on the official Shopify site by checking the URL and the security lock icon in your browser. A great time saver is to bookmark the login page or your admin URL so it's easy to access in the future, especially if you sign in frequently. Next, enter the email address connected to your Shopify account. This is the email you used when you created the store or the one you were invited with as a staff member. Type carefully and look out for accidental spaces or typos. Then enter your password, making sure caps lock isn't on and your keyboard layout is correct. If your account uses a single sign-on option, such as signing in through a trusted provider, select that on the page and follow the prompts. After you submit your credentials, you may be asked for a verification code if two-step authentication is enabled on your account. Open your Authenticator app or check the device where you receive codes, enter the code and continue. If you can't remember your password, use the forgot password link on the page to reset it securely, then return and sign in with your new password. After you're authenticated, you might see a list of stores associated with your email. Click the name of the store you want to manage to enter its admin. If your email is connected to only one store, you'll usually be taken straight into the admin without needing to choose. Once the dashboard loads, you'll land on the home area, which shows recent activity, shortcuts, and key insights. That confirms you're successfully signed in. To recap, go to the official Shopify login page, enter your email and password, and if prompted, select your store to enter the admin dashboard. Consider bookmarking the page for quick access, and remember to sign out on shared or public devices. You're now ready to manage your store from Shopify admin.